You're like, hey, I see that. Excuse me. Come help me with this. I need you to hold the camera, please. No, it doesn't. It's sizzling. Please, come on. The camera can hear us. Let's switch hands. I'm getting tired. Don't drink my cocktail. Oh, and your beer? That's not fair. Wait, what do the instructions say past this? Hold on. I need your help. Oh, shit. It's happening. Exhausting. Jesus. I just want to see the thing expand. It's pretty awesome how they engineered this thing. Okay, I know. Can you come videotape it, please? Please? Because I have to concentrate. And I have to keep switching hands. This is exhausting. Oh, shit. Oh my god. How do I know when to stop? Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm scared of it. Jesus Christ. Alright, that was pretty fucking scary.